Okay, let's give this a try. Let me just adjust my voice so it's not too loud. This game is called Sizeable. Let's see what it's gonna be about. From what I understand, it's kind of like a puzzle game. You have like these little platforms, these little 3D dioramas that you can go around and you can look for the solution of the puzzle. So let's try out the first thing. I already played a tutorial, so I should be able to go through it pretty quickly. Right click to rotate the world, scrolling with the mouse to zoom out, zoom in and not to zoom in, to increase and decrease the size of the objects. And then left click to drop them. And each level you have to drop those little pieces onto the squares and it gets charged up. And R to reset, and escape to press escape to open options. Okay. So we got two things here. I really love the atmosphere and the music. It's just like so cool. And then drop these ones over here. I like how this is like already teaching you that size matters. Like in this puzzle, it's not just dropping the batteries, but straight up, since going into the game, you already know that. Let me just lower down the volume of the game a little bit. You learn that, you know, by adjusting size, like, and the size needs to fit those squares that to actually complete the objective. This one's really cool as well. Okay, there is something over here that I need to connect. Oh, I don't know what that's for, but that's awesome. Nice. Is this a climb too? Ah, nice. Okay. One good, two more to go. Ooh, what do we have here? Is this another battery? Nice, I got another. Boom, boom, one more. That was cool. So this one is already showing the player that there's gonna be things inside of things and you need to discover them. Nothing is what it seems right away, right? You gotta try to figure out how things work. Oh, there you go. That's the last one. Ta-da! I love that sound. So cool. Desert. Ooh, lovely lighting and environment. It's just super cool. Ooh. Oh, I love this. The whole environment is like changing now. Okay, we have another thing here. Just clicking over here. Oh, look at that. Nice. I got that really quickly. I don't know how it worked out so fast. Okay, we have another one here. Then... boom. Oh, nice. So far every level has needed 3 pieces to be completed. Oh, I love this sun. Okay, so it's changing the seasons every time. I don't know if this is gonna be a reoccurring theme where the seasons or the weather will be changing, but it is pretty cool concept. So let's see what do we do here with the flower? Now there's like this sun, and I don't see other things changing right now. Okay, we got this one. Then there's this one. Is there something that I am missing? Okay. And we have the snow. We have snowballs over here. Now it's a pumpkin. Okay. What happened with the... Wait a second. So the pumpkins become flowers. Okay. And where does that... How does that help us? Flowers. Wait a second now. Here we have like a leaf on this puzzle solution object. I don't know, obelisk, monolith, whatever you want to call it. So, what do we do with these snowballs everywhere? Where can we put them? This is the first difficult level already. It's getting challenging. What happened with those things? They disappeared. Okay, so we don't have anything. What if I hide something over here? What happens to it? It breaks? Make these little snowballs here in the shade. And then... There's a tricky one already, damn. And this is just like the first like the 5th level or something? Damn. Am I being silly or what? There's nothing else that I can interact with here. Oh, this came from the bird. I guess they went into the tree, but I didn't get the connection there, you know. It's like I was just flipping between the seasons and then it just worked, but I don't know why it worked, you know what I'm getting at. Okay, so these things we can move. There must be some connection with them, right? Ah, what if can we do a snowman? Yes, there you go. I saw these little balls. There you go. I saw that the snowballs have like these buttons. That's a cool little indication. There you go. Nice. I managed to complete this one too. Surprisingly. Okay. Now we have kind of like a jungle biome. I like these trees. Okay, snake. What do we do with the snake? Whoa, whoa, whoa! Calm down. Maybe we need to build something with these things. Ah, I think I saw this in the video where you had to move this around. Okay, the snake would eat this part. And then this would push it over here. Push it over here. Nice. Ooh, the snake grew so much. Okay, what do we do here? Okay. So we got all the red balls. And is there anything over here? Like snake goes over here. Nice. The final level is over here. So yeah, but the snake was taken away. I cannot really... Let's see now, how can we... This one we cannot move. Maybe we can put this over here. There you go. So it's a nice indicator here, giving me a hint what I'm supposed to do. Okay, I like that. It looks like a little mouth with eyes. I like that. It's cool. And then there's one more missing. There. That's funny. Okay, so birds and trees. Ah, that was it. Okay, that was pretty short then. This is just a demo, so I guess it makes sense. You don't want to reveal too much because these puzzles actually, like, I assume they take a lot of effort to make them, you know, very well designed so that everyone understands them. Props to Jamal Green for making the music. Super cool music. I really like the vibes. It's a really small team. I think on Twitter I saw that there were like only 3 people working on this. Nice. They already had like quite a few playtesters. That's great. Really nice. Well, the game is like pretty close to release. I think that it's gonna be released in March, so that's really nice. And that's it, right? It's just like 5 levels. Okay. Let's move on to the next game. Let me just turn off this thing real quick. And then I'm gonna download the other game. Great. This next game is not from Steam, so I'm just gonna... It's made with Unity. I'm just downloading it right now. It's actually like a driving RPG game. So let's see how that works. Okay, you can see it perfect. Drive, settings, quit. This is a very early stage of development, is what the developer told me. So let's just go right in and see what we have to. already. Okay, the car is moving well. It's like I crashed right away. Okay. I'm just ignore me. I'm just like trying to get used to the controls because it's like it's just fun to drive around. Probably I'm not supposed to do this thing, but so what am I playing as? Am I a whoops? Am I playing a taxi driver or what? What's my objective? So far, what I'm seeing is just these like there's some money over here. And okay, I like the theme, I like the art, but I need to know what I'm doing. There is no objective. So I'm gonna stop right here. How do I put gas? I don't have money, right? So no one's gonna give me gas if I don't have money. Can I go pick up someone from the stop here? Hey, you wanna ride? Okay. I'm just gonna continue to drive recklessly. Okay, there's a repair shop. I think my car is not broken yet. Thing is, how do I pick up passengers? Hey dude. Oh, nice. He was waving at me. Okay, there's an arrow over here. A little bit hard to see, but it's okay. Good enough for a prototype. Am I going in the right direction? Nice. Okay, so I got it. Perfect. $5. So it would have been nice maybe to have a little bit of feedback, like visual feedback for the player. Okay, order completed, or like passenger delivered, or something like this. Maybe not delivered, but you know what I mean. Just think about the... Whoa, this guy's like drifting here. It's going crazy. But it's okay. It's kind of like... I don't know if you played, I think it was called Taxi 3 or Taxi 3 or something. Crazy Taxi. It was called Crazy Taxi, that game. Oh my god, I spent so many hours with that game. It had like a very similar concept, right? You just pick up passengers from wherever, you deliver them, and you do crazy shit because it was like quite chaotic world and other cars were like in your way. I assume that some of that game is your inspiration, right? Oh, it would be really interesting to try to go into this parking because I can't see anything. But it will be cool to have a bit more verticality in the game. So right now everything is flat on the ground, but I would love to have like, whoops, careful. I would love to have a little bit of like a bridge or like tunnel, you know. I know that it's gonna be quite tricky with the camera, but it would be cool to have a bit more variety in the actual terrain, so you can, you know, it's more exciting. Right now it's just like a grid-based system, but it's okay. I know that it's in the like early stages, so. Whoops, this guy, guy, where do you want to go, buddy? Let's see. Yeah, when they're walking to the car, it's just like Crazy Taxi. Whoop, careful. Alright, let's go over here. There's like these other blue cars are going super fast. Whoops, am I getting a bit lost here? Okay, there it is. This indication is not super obvious. I would make it a little bit more clear, because the same marking that you have on the gas station, you have the same marking for the delivery, and it's just like too similar, and I don't think it should be. Okay, wait, actually now that I passed through the gas station, I realized that I'm low on fuel, so it would be great to have a flickering UI saying low fuel or something right over here, and maybe supported by a sound effect, so you can actually notice it, and like you need to signal to the player that okay, they're low on fuel. How do I accept? I want to charge my car. I'm just trying to press keys here. I have stopped, but okay, now it got triggered. Yeah, fill to the top, but I don't have enough money to fill to the top. What am I gonna do, dude? What the hell? So I ran out of gas super quick, and actually gas is super expensive. What happens if I run out of gas? Like, do I have to reset? Man, this blue car driver is fucking nuts. But it's cool though, I like it. It's cool when you're not the only crazy person out there, because otherwise it's just too boring. If all the traffic is, you know, like slow and complying with all the rules, it's just like a bit boring, right? So it's good that you did that. Another question. Why is my car blue? Because generally speaking, taxis are not blue, are they? So it would be nice for my car to be unique compared to everyone else's. Like, if you're gonna make, oh my god, you have serious physics in this car. If you're gonna make a game like this, make everyone else like a different color, you know, like, okay, you have red, you have orange, you have green, blue, but make me the only yellow car, so I can really quickly find out who I am in the, how do you call it, like on the game screen. This will help you with marketing, with screenshots, whatever. People will know who they are right away, right? Make a traditional, like it doesn't need to be a traditional taxi, you know, like those black and white stripes and the yellow paint, but you need to be different from everyone else for the player to be able to distinguish themselves. Okay, any other passengers? Who else wants to go for a ride? This guy? Did he wave, or is it just me? Whoops. Oh, they don't wait for me, eh? They don't stop. But I actually like the physics of the cars. Like, it's kind of easy to control. Maybe the turning is a little bit slow. Like, it would be nice to turn a little bit faster to have more control. But yeah, the next stage I would say is like, it would be cool to have actual objectives, like more progress. Right now there's no progress, it's just like completing little jobs. You're building up money, but let's see if I can stop here. Okay, maybe on this side only. Can I charge up some gas? So yeah, I think it would be really cool if you, like, you already have money, right? At some point you're gonna have enough money to keep your gas full, and you'll have extra money. This extra money, it will be nice to be able to upgrade your car and like, okay, I have more extra handling, faster, better speed, better turning, you know, more attractive visuals, so that customers would love to drive in my taxi, you know, like, and then eventually you become like a premium taxi, like looking really cool, and you drive more, you know, richer customers, and you will be able to make even more money. So more profitable business. This for me is a good, it's like a very common sense progression, right? It's like it matches the theme. It's just an idea. Like, I don't know what you have in mind, but it's good to have like a clear vision of where you want to take this game. You know, you have like an idea of what it could become and how you imagine it. Why is it not charging? Is it a bug or what? Or am I doing something wrong? Hey, gas man. It's nice that you added the honk though. Honks are so important. Honestly, I don't know what's happening with the fuel system. For some reason, it's not working. Let me check what you messaged me. Well, you said that it's still in prototype stage and there's not a lot of things yet. At this point, you can just drive, pick the passengers, repair the car, and refuel. Okay, but unfortunately, I cannot refuel. So that sucks. Let's back to garage, whatever you call it. Let's start again. Maybe there was a bug, maybe I'm doing something wrong. I don't know if I'm supposed to press any buttons when I go to refuel. Anyways, new game. See, it's like very difficult to make a U-turn. But I mean, it is. You're not supposed to do U-turns like that, right? I'm just driving like this is a Grand Theft Auto. Like reckless and not respecting the rules at all. Which is how I think every player would drive, to be honest. Like, if you think about Crazy Taxi, people don't want to go slowly with the traffic. They just want to have fun. They're gonna deliver. If you have payment based on how quick you deliver your passengers, not deliver. Delivery is the wrong word for this. How fast you bring your passengers to the destination, then everyone is going to try to drive as fast and as reckless as possible, right? So that makes sense. I hope. Let's see how many orders I can complete. I'm a little bit like the arrow is a bit tricky sometimes, but it's okay. It's good enough for now, for testing stage. I'm probably gonna need to refuel soon. I wonder if there's like a minimum amount of money that you have to have in order to go into the gas station. Maybe this is the reason why it wouldn't let me. I'm just trying to come up with a reasonable explanation, and probably you're like laughing out there and you're like, no, it's just a bug, it's just a bug. But it's okay, you know, like some bugs you can get away with. Players can be fooled that this is like, oh, this is the expected behavior, where actually it's like something that you implemented but it's not working. That's fine. As long as it's not a game-breaking bug, it's fine. The problem is that refueling system is at the core of your gameplay. So if I cannot refuel, it means that I cannot continue playing your game. So that's, I would say, game-breaking. So you need to make sure that that works always, and it's very easy to use. Who else wants to go for a ride, buddies? It's gonna be time to refuel soon. Actually, I should crash more. I'm being like way too responsible with the other cars. Oh, look at this guy. Where are you going? Where are you going, man? Where are you going? I should do like a little bit of crash course. Let's see how fast I can slam into other cars. That's always fun, right? And actually, this kind of situations can really make some funny GIFs or screenshots or whatever, like this kind of. You need to always think about marketability of your game. How fun is it to, even as a viewer, if you're not playing, how fun is it to watch, right? Especially for indie games, we don't have any budget for these kind of things. So if you make your game fun to look at, that's like a big achievement, I would say. Let's see if I can charge up here. Like put some gas. It's marking like that it's green. How did I do it last time? Oi, where are you, mate? Only some gas stations work. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. I'm pressing all the keys. Wait, did I press something? What happened? I think I pressed something, yeah. Why are you not explaining what hotkey I'm supposed to press? That's very bad. You need to say like, okay, press E to refuel or whatever. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I've exhausted all the content of this game, so I'll just make a few more delivery. Oh god, I'll just make a few more pickups, and that will be it. Let's see. Boom! Wow, this guy didn't move really. I'm the only one that suffered from that impact. Yeah, right now there's not really anything to do, but you know, it's fine. The core is there. As long as this is super important, like as long as your car is drivable, you know, and it's kind of interesting to drive, that's already a big achievement, I would say. Making enjoyable driving. Okay, one more delivery. Boom, good job. Okay, that's gonna be it for now for this game. So let's try to find another game that I like. Perhaps something from Game Jolt. Let's see. Dun 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 dun. Explore. RPG. Not really looking for an RPG right now. Maybe something with action or puzzle. We can do a puzzle game, right? That could be fun. Oh, that looks like a really weird game.